And then I got like, okay, they moved early. There's only one taxi, and there's like five people that are supposed to be in the taxi. That's what the government said, right? But there's only like a few people that are supposed to be in the taxi. So I took a cab, and I took like when I tried. Look, I tried, and I got myself at home where I'm at now. And when I got everybody sleeping, and I was like, I'm gonna wait. All right. And I waited. And then I waited, right? And then I waited. I was like, wow. I was so shook. But okay, since an unboxing, I'm just not gonna talk too much. I've been talking too much anyway, so. Okay, it came in this package, which is like fragile hand with care. It's not fragile. I'm kidding, it is. Okay, this is how the package looks like. And inside, guys, I already opened this because that's why I've been giving you guys content, because I already opened it because I couldn't wait to show you guys. And it is just a small package, like it is just small. It is just a small, it's like you know, guys, the struggle is real. The struggle of data is real, especially MTN, guys. Yes, MTN is like literally eating our money. Like, you get 1 gig for 7 days for 110. No, that's 5 gig for night, guys. MTN, guys. Come on, guys. You need to become like Telkom. Tell the people to calm down, okay? Telkom, please tell MTN to calm down. Tell the MTN people to calm down. Telkom. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We know about that. This is how it came, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. This looks like money. It looks like money, but it's not money. I love the packaging. The packaging, it is so beautiful. And it also, like, you know, when you're a Hawaiian girl like me, a Hawaii girl like me, this is for the SIM. When you open it inside, you just use this pin. It helps a lot because I lost mine. Actually, I lost it a long time ago. It does help a lot. And there's no instructions on how you use it, or how you just put it in your phone. You can use it on your phone. You can use it like you buy a router. It retails about 600 rand. You can buy a router. I'll just show you just right here. You can buy a router and you can just put it inside the router and make it as a Wi-Fi. And also, what's nice about it is that is not the nice part. It is not nice. What I'm about to say is you can hotspot anybody in the house, but Mamela, you don't want to be taken advantage of. All right, just spill the bill. All right, spill the bill. When you spill the bill, it's better because, you know, but like it can go in and out. But at 6 o'clock, shut down. It's closed. So that's the nice part about it, is you can use it the whole day. Obego YouTube, obego Instagram, obego Facebook, obego yonke into. Make it rain. We make it rain, darling. We make it rain, right? Yeah. And it is a 4G. It's SIM card extra thing, whatever. So yeah. So if you're a YouTuber and if you're a content creator, if you know what to tanda in internet, if you know tanda is social media, get yourself hooked. You only pay 250 every month. You go to their website, you click on the order button, and then it will literally come to your house like that. It will come to your house like this. All right. So yeah, that's the unboxed packages of the SIM card. You can take like the all day every day, the non-stop one, which is 5 gig, I think. I'm not sure, but I only checked this one, which is the one that I'm using right now, right? So, you know, your girl So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please give it a massive thumbs up. And if you want to be a full-time subby, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to comment on the comment box down below. All right, so guys, I'll see you on the next video, which it will be tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye. No, I'm too late.